What's up guys, I'm Jesse from Mullen the Maker, and today we're going over the first upgrade we made to the adventure van. We just want to thank Front Runner for sponsoring this video, for providing the upgrades. So the first thing we did was took off the 3 bars that we originally had. They were just some work bars, but they did work for a relatively cheap and inexpensive price point. And we added on the Front Runner Slimline 2 rack to the van. Now this is extremely easy to put together. The instructions were really clear. What's really cool about the Slimline 2 is that you can put it all together with one Allen wrench if you had to. We had a drill and the right bit, so we were able to do it very quickly and build the entire thing on the ground. We also needed to add the bars that you see along here. There's 5 brackets on each side that hold it to the rain gutter on the van. Once those were all together and assembled on the ground, it took 3 of us and a couple ladders to just feed it up from the back and put it into place. We really like the design because it covers pretty much the entire van, or at least goes to the front door to the back. Eventually we'll like to add maybe some solar panels on the front space, but for now this is a lot more versatile than the 3 bars we had, and it looks a ton better. Now the bars we had to adjust to fit to the storage bin, and with having the Slimline rack we don't have to adjust anything because we can mount it anywhere we want. We mounted it right here so you can use the American back road ladder to get to the top and easily access the storage bin. Now next to it we have the roto pack set up. Front Runner has some really cool accessories, including the attachment for the roto packs. We use the roto packs bracket, but the Front Runner has the plate that can mount to directly on the side like you see here. It's extremely easy to install and it looks really clean. The next accessory we added was the awning. This awning is really cool. Now we went camping with Sam and Stephanie with the van. We had our trailer, they had their van, and the biggest complaint was that there was really no shade in the van. Now having the awning allows you to have that shade. It's extremely easy to collapse. The system is smooth and simple and you can do it yourself, but it looks really clean on the side. Overall, we're really happy with the product. The other thing they offer is the canoe and kayak stand. Now this one is, Sam has a canoe, so it's extremely easy to just lift up there, add it to the pads, strap it down to anywhere on the rack, and now you're able to take the canoe pretty much anywhere. On the 3 bars, it was a lot more sketchy. There wasn't as many tie down spots, and so this allows us to put it up there with 0 damage, and the simplicity of it is awesome. If you go on their website, they have a ton of accessories for the Slimline, and the Slimline will work for regular truck beds as well. I have one for mine, and we'll be showing that off in another video, so you can make sure you subscribe for that. But this Slimline is pretty much universal. Now the brackets are different for every vehicle, so you just select your vehicle in the Front Runner website and it will show you which ones are compatible with your vehicle. I think overall my favorite thing is that Front Runner just pre-assembles everything for you. It's just very DIY with a wrench and an Allen key, and you can basically get this entire thing assembled by yourself. Not only does it look really, really clean and a lot better than just having those 3 giant bars, but it looks a little bit more simple, but also more rugged. Having this rack also, it makes it easier for us to change out accessories. If we didn't want the awning on or we didn't want the storage bin, we could change that out and add other things that will enhance the camping experience. Another big thing that a lot of people use with these racks is a rooftop tent. You can put a rooftop tent up there. You can climb up the ladder and get directly into a tent. It's an extremely versatile setup. We really like how it all came together, and we're excited to get more accessories throughout the years. If you haven't checked out the full video for the adventure van, make sure you do that. We also renovated an old 1970s trailer and a modern trailer to make it look vintage, so make sure you check those out as well. Until next time, guys, see you later.